So hello friends, I'm Mr. Jokan Amakianto. Here in Indonesia, analog TV is getting replaced by digital TV. So if you still like your analog TV, you can use a digital terrestrial receiver. Now, what I have here is this brand. I don't know how to say it, but I say it as Apple HG GBBT2. There's also a matrix for some reason. So, if you have a cathode ray tube TV, then you use RCA cables. If you have an LCD TV, then you use HDMI cables. Before you can use it, you need to have a power source, and then if you are using the TVs that I mentioned before, then you use the cables that are necessary for it, and then the Wi-Fi dongle if you want to use the internet while using this. Then yeah, you can actually watch YouTube there, and then the actual cable to the antenna. So we can start using it, because how can you connect to all of these? So if you want to find the TV channels that you actually want to watch, then you need to go to search. But if you already have done a search in the past, it will wipe all of them. That is the automatic search. Here, this message will come up, even though it is listed under tips. It meant wipe all the channels for automatic searching. Just press OK because you want to search, and then we just wait until it completes the whole process and gets channels, if it gets channels. If it doesn't, then you either need to wait and retry, or just retry. Or you can find a TV broadcaster on Google Maps and then point it at their direction. We still haven't found anything. Interesting. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We just need to wait. It's already in 36%. Haven't found any. That's 49. And also for some reason there is radios too. We still need to wait. There is more than halfway left to go. There is 39%. Why isn't it moving from 39%? Yep, it's finally moving, but we haven't even discovered any yet. That's 54%, that is 58%. So yeah, you need to do this several times, I suppose, if you don't get the signals. Or just wait for the weather to clear up, because you won't get any signals during a storm. 73% haven't found any. So, while using this, you need to actually direct the antenna correctly, and do not do it randomly. I would not suggest to do it randomly. Point it at a random direction, hoping to get some signals. Just search up a broadcaster on Google Maps, then point it at their direction. Simple. Rather than pointing the antenna 4 or 5 times and then finding it at the correct source, just use maps. Wait, did it redo again? That's weird. Wait, restart it. We still haven't found any. 28%, haven't found any. 32%, 36%. There's the quality of the signal. Currently at 0%, then there is the power of the signal, 99%, and then dropped to 13%. The power is 0 because we haven't found any channels. Oh, here it is. I did not expect that. Okay, there's more. So yeah, there you go, randomness. Last time we didn't get, now this time we did get. 87, 91. Well, that's good, I guess. 95%, 30% of quality, so 95%. Strength of signal 98, and then 84, and then 47. Then the quality becomes 0, and that's 49. Maybe I should stop talking. It is still 95%. Okay, now it is. We got 8 channels. And this is blurry. If you have a digital TV, it is going to look choppy and not noisy. Oh, it does not have any signals. So you just press the menu. Just back to this. You can check out the systems if you want. What? Why am I pointing at the TV? Okay, there is a language, there is a picture, there is a time, and then there is a, shall I say it, help for old people. And then control keys, then factory reset, and then from what I assume is background. Let's try to switch. Oh yeah, it is background. That's the third, that's the fourth. The fourth is just blue or cyan or turquoise. I'm not really knowledgeable. And then there is that orange shrink on the corner. And you're back. I prefer this one, to be honest. Then there is a USB. You can watch movies from here, but you need to connect the USB first. And then you can watch YouTube. We're going to talk about those later. YouTube, IPTV, MeTube, and such. There's the applications, there is MeTube, YouTube, IPTV, and then Watcher, and then YouTube Kids. Then there is the information. There is the brand of Matrix. Then there is the module. Oh, it's called it's a module, apparently. The way you say the module is Apple UVB Strip T2. HG wasn't even included. Apparently that was just branding or telling information. And the software version is this. I'm not going to even bother to read that. Then the hardware info, 8 megabytes flash. And then the build time, and then the IG, and then the status, and then the Wi-Fi type. You need to pay attention to this one, since you need these two types of Wi-Fi. Only these two types will work. And then there is the USB module. Only these 3 types will work. Now, if you want to watch YouTube, you can only use these 2 types. You can also use Ethernet for this, but make sure to be the correct one. So let's exit that. There is the upgrades. There is the USB upgrade, and then the net upgrade. Now you don't actually have to use nets. You use the internet. Then there is the Wi-Fi. In this case, we're already connected. There is the machine that we're going to use. There's the mode. There is the typing. There is the saving. I'm usually just translating. Then there is a status, in which it is already connected. So we can watch YouTube. You need for it to be working correctly. I don't think this is not news. Okay, then there is music, which is an actual YouTube category. News is also a category. Then there is films. Then you can search. And by the way, mostly the films are trailers, not actual films. You need to buy. And then you can search, especially my channel. There, it works. However, you cannot actually see. You need to scroll it manually. Yeah. It puts out it is random, sort of. Puts out random stuff. Does not put a category for time. Okay, so that's YouTube. And then there is the Iptv. Here you can see the instructions on how to use it. This is reviews. I don't think that is an instruction to use your project. Okay, so let's try this one. I think this one is from the company that makes this or something. Yep, it is like this. If you press OK, then you can see all of it in the category. And then if you press down, you can see the interface. And this interface is the same whether you're watching YouTube, IPTV, or the other one. Okay, we're not going to watch all of that because I think that's going to be a really long time. And probably you wouldn't understand it. There's 15 categories here. Let me too. Let's see. Internet problems? Are you sure? Somehow YouTube worked. Wait, did it work? Does it work now? Yes, it does work. But this does not work. Okay, it works. It is more to a guide. But this is MeCast. The MeCast is used to share the screen from phone. Or just simply phone to TV. There is quite a lot of things. Even school subjects. There is science, and then there is social science. We do have social science here. And then we have math. There is civics. There is, I don't know what is that. Then there is the grades. And then that's all sports. That's sports, that is sports. That is entertainment. That is songs, that is films, that is songs. That is entertainment, but sometimes have news. And then, I don't know what is that. I think that's songs. Okay, now this is news. Full news, just full news. That's cartoons. That's a lot of cartoons. In total, we have, that's news again, 99 channels. Now exit YouTube. Let's see the apps. IPTV, then here. There you go. I don't even know where that is. -4°C? What? Okay, this is in a random city, 25 degrees. Okay, now this is in Jakarta. We are not in Jakarta. Okay, that is cloudy. That is Surabaya. Raining. It's not raining here either. So yeah, basically weather predictions and weather currently. Then there is YouTube Kids. And why is it that YouTube is fine, but YouTube Kids is not? Well, sometimes those errors. And there is the MeCast, and which I said before. You're going to search that on phone. You need to actually download it on phone. And then you can see your website. You just exit it. Also, you can change the name of the device, by the way. So yeah, that is pretty much it. There's the programs. You can change the channels. You can what is it? Panduan. Basically tells you what to do, and then there is the order of the channels, and there is LCN and ACU, and which I haven't fully understand that. I don't even understand a bit of it. And you can go here. There's quite a lot of it. We have 8. If you want to delete, just press 1. But you can just delete it by search. Or if you want to just delete a few and keep, well, you can just press 1. Then press manually and such. But I will not be doing that now. Oi. Then there is the move, and then the skip, and then the lock, and then the favorite. So yeah. Exit. Currently, it has pretty bad signal, apparently. There is that. Yep. I suppose that is it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.